you live, dude. Congratulations. Give me a high five.
I got a lot of canopy time.
Give me a high five, dude. High five. Give me a high five. You know, take your hand and go like that. Give me a high five. Yeah, right on.
I thought you was wanting me to back up.
All right, man. Congratulations. Welcome back.